If you are listening to this, I hope you are having a peaceful day. Right now, I'm walking through a quiet village road. The morning air feels fresh. The trees are glowing in soft sunlight, and the sounds of birds fill the surroundings. Sometimes moments like this remind us that happiness doesn't always come from busy cities or expensive places. It can be found in simple mornings like this. As I walk, I can see green trees on both sides of the road. Their leaves move gently with the breeze, creating a relaxing sound that makes everything feel calm. The brick road beneath my feet tells stories of countless journeys made by people every day. Every step feels peaceful, and every breath feels fresh. Listen carefully to these birds. They don't worry about yesterday, and they don't fear tomorrow. They simply sing because it's a new day. Maybe we can learn something from them. Instead of carrying every burden with us, sometimes we should pause, appreciate the present moment, and be thankful for what we already have. Nature has an incredible way of calming the mind. When life becomes stressful, spending a little time outside can make a big difference.